Got myself a GoPro smart remote for the 1 through, I think it's the 4 through 8 GoPro Hero blacks. Only the blacks, not the silvers. Then they switched to a different style of remote. But I didn't want that big cord that goes into the bottom of the actual GoPro brand. It takes up too much room, so I decided to go with this. Plus it's magnetic charging. So here's the unboxing of it, the one I picked, and the link will be in the description below. It says it goes up to the 9. Maybe I'm wrong. Looks foreign as can be. And then we'll do connections on a GoPro Hero 7 and a GoPro Hero 5. You know what? Screw it. Just rip it open. And you guys fell. This one's $44 on Amazon right now. Nothing else in the box. Little quick start guide, status indicator, everything that you see on Amazon. Lanyard hole at the bottom, which I didn't see before. Charging, just use 12 volt. How to turn it on and everything. If you guys want to read that, take a screenshot and look at your screenshots. Looks like you can do a firmware update even. You gotta go to Yotakomoko support. Yeah, so I'll probably be doing an update on it. Just make sure it's all up to date. There we go with a copyright. You guys can hear that in the background. I'm getting a text, so let's just... Nothing else in the box. This is probably going to be a strap. Nice little cheap as you can get strap. Oh no, it's got nice padding on the back. So that'll go around you like that. Oh, very nice. And then this is the discrete charger compared to the one by GoPro. Sucks because if you break it, you can't get an extra one. Maybe the company offers something. Looks like it would break right there or right here, so I'm going to take very good care of it. And now here's the unit itself. Smaller screen than what I thought it would be. See how easy it is to put that through there. Not a problem at all. $500 milliamps, 5 volt. Clips on there, no problem. It only goes one way. Magnets resist the other way. Doesn't have a tear off or anything. Smart remote version 1.2. Battery level, trying to pair. So it came with, it says power off when you shut it off. And it shuts off like one of the old tube TVs. I'm going to charge that up and then we will do some pairing videos.